So I'm going to, so this question is pretty easy. Tim is 8 years old. One day he has about his mother's age. When you are as old as me now, I will be 54 years old. Okay, so do we know what is Tim's age? Yes, right? Do we know mom's age? No. So Tim's age, mom, we don't know. So we said X, right? Okay, when Tim became mom's age, so Tim became X, right? So mom became what? 54. So if you can make this table, okay, I think I taught Zoe and Amelia before. When we're learning age problem, which part is the most important thing? The differences between two people are going to change. Okay, so for instance, me and Peng Peng's differences is 31 because I had her when I was 31 years old. So I'm always 31 years older than Peng Peng. Correct? Till I passed away. Right? So the differences between two people are always stay the same. So that means x minus 8 equals 54 minus x. Get it? So 2x equals 62. So x equals 33. How old is Tim's mother? 31. Get it? Okay, so when we do age problem, that's the most important part is it's always the same. Okay, so number 2, Zoe, do you mind read the question for me?
The sum of the ages of three children is 30. The oldest child is twice as old as the second oldest one. The youngest child is 10 years younger than the oldest one. What is the age of the oldest child?
Okay, so can you do this question? 好了吗？I have received.
Hold on, I'm sending it to
Okay, very good. Okay, let me see. So Amelia is a little bit slower, right? So Zoe, you take a look if your method is the same as mine, okay? So the sum of three children is 30. So we just assume this A, B, C. So plus together equals 30, right? The oldest children is twice as old as the second oldest one. So this is the youngest, this is second, this is oldest. So that means the C can be rewritten as 2B. Correct? Zoe and Amelia, don't you agree with me? The youngest children is 10 years younger than the oldest one. So the oldest one right now is 2B. So the A could be rewritten as 2B minus 10, correct? So now I just change everything into basic B. So it's 5B equals 40. So B equals 8. What is the age of the oldest one? So it's 2B equals 8 times 2 equals 16. Correct? Zoe and Amelia, are you using the same way?
It's different. I just didn't do it like this.
mine was like a bit different.
I did algebra, but it was different way of algebra, I guess.
Okay. But still, the method is almost the same, right? How do you
Mm-hmm.
think it's different? Zoe, do you want to share your method?
It was basically like this, except I calculated the second one first, I think.
Mm-hmm. I'm doing the second one first as well.
Yeah, no, I calculated the like second one and then I made substitute into the other one to find the first one. I
Mm-hmm.
don't know, I got all three first, and then I
Okay.
realized and checked it with like trial and error, I guess.
Mm-hmm. So how did he do it? He make a list. This is not a really smart way, right?
I
Okay,
used
now
the listing way too.
you made the listing way. Okay. That's why it takes a longer time, right?
I mean, I did it like this, and then I realized that I might have done it wrong, so I tested it with a list from the number that I had, which was a lot easier.
Mm. But do you understand my way right now,
Yes.
Amelia? Also, okay. Amelia, how about you read the number 3 question?
In 3 years' time, the sum of the ages of John and Joseph will be 27. Joseph's age is the difference between his own and John's ages. How old is Joseph?
Okay, number 3. 做好了吗？
I sent it to you.
I'm still doing it.
OK，狗的背狗，人家狗的是从那么远的地方，你们也要叫狗的，狗的，狗的，
Who's
你
Goldie?
过来。哦，一只狗从我们家门口经过，离得老远了，他们俩就在那边叫。So, Amelia, do you understand in 3 years' time? What does it mean?
So in 3 years, and then the sum of John and Joseph right now is 24.
对啊，就说3年以后，对不对？ That means 3 years later. Okay, so in 3 years' time, the sum of A, Joe and Joseph, so A, we just put A and B because they're the same initial, right? Will be 27. So right now, what is the sum?
24.
No. In 3
27.
years' time, so John is increasing by 3 years, and the Joseph will be increasing 3 years as well. So A plus B right now should be 21 years old. Get it? 24 is not right. Joseph's age is the differences between his own and John's age. What does it mean? That means Joseph minus John equals Joseph. Sorry, equals Joseph, right? John minus Joseph equals Joseph. So that means John equals 2 Joseph, right? Okay, so you can just replace it. So 3 Joseph equals 21. So Joseph equals what? 7 years old. Did you get it right, Zoe?
Oh, no.
So which part you making mistakes?
The minus one? Minus 3 instead of,
You
yeah.
minus 3 instead of minus 6, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the same thing. So when you're getting older, your friends is getting older as well, right? So especially for the sum, okay, when we're learning sum, so the differences of two people, they will not change, but the sum, they're going to be doubled. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's take a look at number 4. So Zoe, do you mind read the question for me?
Okay. Bobby's present age is a multiple of 9. Last year's Bobby's age was a multiple of 5. If Bobby
Seven.
is multiple of 7. If Bobby is between 15 and 45 years old, how old is he?
Okay, your turn.
Sure.
好了，告诉我啊。
这个
所以你做完了
，Yeah.
？How about you, Amelia？也做完，做完跟我说一下，因为我看不到啊。Okay? So Bobby's present age is multiple of 9. So that means Bobby equals 9x. Correct, Zoe? Or it could be 9, it could be 18, could be 27. Last year, Bobby's age was multiple of 7. Last year. So last year, Bobby's age is 9x minus 1. Correct? Correct? Okay. So they are multiple of 7, so it's 7y. So let's see. Bobby could be 9, could be 18, could be 27, could be 36, could be 45. Right? Because it between 15 and 75, 45. So 9, we don't need it. So 17, 26, 35, 44, very easy. So the answer is 35 or 36.
36.
Zoe?
36.
Very good. Okay, 有些小朋友告诉我答案是 35.
35 was the year before.
Very good. Okay. So now let's take a look at this one. Number 5. Amelia, you read the question.
The sum of Jacqueline's and Melissa's age is 19. The sum of Jacqueline's and Nikita's ages is 22. The sum of Melissa's and Nikita's ages is 25. What is the age of the oldest girl?
Yeah. Okay.
老师，等一下我。
好好好。 Okay, so we're going to explain a little bit. Okay, the sum of Jacqueline's and Melissa's ages. So J plus M equals 19. Okay, so Amelia, did you have this one written down? Okay, the sum of Jacqueline's and Nikita's is 22. So J plus N equals 22, right?
Emma plus N
Melissa
equals 25.
Very good. Okay, so how do we do it? So each of the equation has two. So how about we just plus all of them together? So 2J plus 2M plus 2N equals what? 66. Correct? Okay, so J plus M plus N equals 33. Correct? Okay, so we're just using 33 minus J plus M, we get N. We use this one minus this one equals M equals 11. And we use this one minus this one equals J equals 8. And you can check if these three plus together is it equals to 33 or not. And you can see J plus M equals 19, J plus N equals 22, and M plus N equals 25. And you get the right answer. Get it, Amelia? Okay. These are pretty easy, okay? So let's take a look at this one. Annabelle is 10 years old. One day she asked her about her age of her teacher. I'll be 58 years old by the time you're as old as me now. Reply her teacher. How old is her teacher? The same question as the first example, so please get it done very quickly, okay?做好了吗？这个应该很简单啊。Basically, it's just a 10 plus 58 divided by 2, right? So 68 divided by 2 equals 34. Did you get this? So 10, 34, and 34, 58. So the differences between these two people stay the 24 years old. It's always like that. Did you get this question right? Both of you? Should be very quickly, right? Okay, so number 2. Zoe, please read the question for me.
Cindy is 12 years old. One day she asked about her auntie's age. I will be 62 years old by the time you reach my present age, replied her auntie. How old is Cindy's auntie?
Okay, do this one. 做好了吗？所以做完了哈。
嗯
How are you, Amelia？做完要告诉我。嗯
I'm
哼，
finished.
嗯哼。So tell me the answer,
I got 37.
Amelia.
I got 35.
Okay, 那我们来看看怎么样。So Cindy right now is 12 years old. She asked about her auntie's age. I'll be 62 old by the time you reach my present age. So that's the same thing. 12 plus 62 divided by 2 equals 74 divided by 2 equals 37. How did you get the 35?
I tried a different way.
Okay, how did you do that?
So I got 62 minus 12 equals 50, and then 50 divided by 2 equals 25, and then 25 plus 10 equals 35.
Huh? 25 plus 12 equals 35.
25 plus 10.
Where did you get the 10?
Oh, I thought it was the previous question.
No, it's 12, right? So 12 plus 12 equals 37. Okay, so you get the right answer. But the calculate, look at the question, okay? Okay, number 3, Amelia, read the question, please.
Allison is 26 years younger than her father. Her father's age will be 3 times her age in 4 years' time. How old is Allison?
Okay, your time. Jayo, Amelia. Finished? Allison is 20 years old younger than her father. So Amelia and Zoe, I want you to have this one. A plus 26 equals father. Get it? So this equation, I want you to immediately, Allison is 26 years younger than her father. So her father is 26 older than her son, her daughter, his daughter, right? So her father's age will be 3 times her age in 4 years' time. So Allison will be A plus 4, right? And his father will be what? A plus 26 plus 4, correct? Okay, so her father will be 3 times. So this is Allison's time. So time 3 equals father. Did you get this equation? Okay, so 3A plus 12 equals A plus 30. So 2A equals 18. So A equals what? Equals 9. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, let's do it again. So first equation, Allison is 26 younger than her father. So Allison plus 26 equals father. Get it, Zoe? Okay, so I want you to have the ability in 4 years' time. So Allison right now is 8 years old, and in 4 years' time will be A plus 4, right? Okay, so her father's age will be father, but it's A plus 26 4 years ago. So 4 years later, it's 2A plus 26 plus 4, right? Because when Allison's getting older, her father's getting older as well. So her age is 4 times as old as her father. So Allison's age times 4 equals father. Oh, sorry, 3 times. 3 times of her age, right? So 3A, you times out, plus 12 equals A plus 30, right? So 2A equals 18, so A equals 9. Get it? Zoe?
Get it.
Okay. Number 4. Amelia, please read the question.
The sum of the ages of a football coach and his 2 team players is 100. His age will be the sum of the ages of the 2 team members in 12 years' time. How old is the football coach?
你等一下，那个叫什么？Okay, so Zoe and Amelia, are you doing this?
Yes, do in hang on. I'm almost done.
说完了吗
说完了。
？Amelia 要加油啊！Okay, the sum of age of football coach and his two team members is 100. 那这个人如果是 A 的话，两个 member 是 B 和 C，可不可以？So Amelia, could you give me the equation?
The equation is A plus B plus C equals 100.
Very good. His age will be sum of the age of the two team members in 12 years' time. What does it mean? His age is right now A,
In
right?
12 years,
Equals what?
and A equals B plus
It's
C.
B plus C plus 12 or plus 24. Which one?
Plus 24.
Very
24.
good. Plus 24.
Because it's both of them are adding 12.
Very good. So right now we have two equations, right? Correct? So can we change them into A equals B plus C plus 24? Then we continue, plus B plus C equals 100, right? So right now we have 2B plus 2C equals 76, correct, Amelia? So B plus C equals what? Is this 38? Okay, so if B plus C equals 38, how old is the football coach? Does it the question asking you how old is B and how old is C? No, they want to know how old is A. So A equals what? Equals 38 plus 24. Or we can say A equals 100 minus 38. So the answer is 62. Zoe, did you get the same answer?
Yes. Pretty sure,
Clear,
yeah.
Amelia?
62.
Okay, so number 5, Zoe, your turn.
When I was your age, you were only 4 years old. I will be 79 years old by the time you reach my present age. My father says to his daughter, how old are the father and the daughter and his daughter?
Okay, so let's do this question. Okay, so Zoe, did you finish?
Not yet.
Okay. Okay, so let me just to give you a little bit help, okay? When I was your age, you were 4 years old. For this sentence, I and you, so it's like, so you're 4 and I was X, and this is your right now. I will be 70 years old by the time you reach my present age. A father, so let's take a look at this one. The father and the daughter, okay? The father said, when I was your age, you were only 4 years old. So daughter is 4, father was X, right? And that means daughter right now is X. So father will be what? Think about it. Remember, the differences between father and daughter is always the same. So father minus daughter, the difference is X minus 4. That means the daughter's age plus father will be father's right now age. So it's 2X minus 4. Get it? This is now. This is before. Make a table. Okay, I will be 79 years old by the time you reach my present age. So father will be 79 when daughter became 2X minus 4. Get it? Okay, I'm going to do it again, okay? So there are two people, father and daughter. The father said, when I was at your age, you were only 4 years old. So daughter right now is X, and father right before is X, and daughter is 4. Did you get it? Okay, so what is father's age right now? So this is before, right? When I was your age, so it's before. So what is present? So the differences between father and daughter is always same. Right now, before is X minus 5. Right now is also X minus 5. So this age minus X should be X minus 4. So this is 2X minus 4. Correct? 2X minus 4 minus X equals X minus 4. So it's future. I will be 79 when I reach my age present. So how does father, how does daughter? How do we do it? All you need to do is 79 minus 2X minus 4 equals what? X minus 4. because the differences between dad and daughters always what, Amelia? Stay.
Same.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's 83 minus 2x equals x minus 4. So you're going to get 87 equals 3x. So x equals 29. So father equals what? Father equals 29 times 2 minus 4 equals 58 minus 4 equals 50.
54.
Get it? Oh, we have to have the table listed and it's going to be easy. Okay, number 6.要不要帮忙呀
我做完了。
？Okay, Amelia.
我还在做。
Okay. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Nelson says his sister, when I reach your age, you will be 35 years old. 跟刚才那道题目是不是很像啊？Zoe, right? Sister and Nelson, okay? Nelson said, when I reach your age, you'll be 35 years old. So sister will be 35, Nelson will be X, and sister right now is X, and Nelson will be 35 minus 2X. Nope. 2X. 35 minus X. 35 minus 2X, yes. Right? Okay, so when I was your age, you were only 2 years old. So sister is X. How old is Nelson? And how old is his sister? With 2. Sorry. So sister and Nelson. When I reach your age, you'll be 35 years old. Sorry, Nelson will be 35. And, oh, sorry, sister is younger, right? Nelson said to his sister, when I reach your age, then you'll be 35. No, sister is older. What I'm doing. Correct? Zoe? Who's older? Who's younger?
Sister older.
Yeah, sister older. Very good. You will be 35. Sorry, I was totally wrong for here. Not Nelson 35. So Nelson said to her sister, when I reach your age, you'll be 35. So sister will be X right now, and Nelson will be, I don't know how old, right? So this is, Nelson said, when I reach your age, you'll be 35. And he said, sister said to Nelson, when I was your age, so when sister is 35 minus 2X, right? And Nelson is only 2 years old, correct? That's right. So what's stay the same, Zoe? The differences of two people, right?
Yeah.
So 35 minus 2X minus 2 is the differences equals what? 35 minus X. Right? Sister minus Nelson is still the same. So 33 minus 2X equals 35 minus X. So X equals 2. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Why it's negative? X minus 35 plus 2X. Yeah, here is wrong. Sorry. So 35 minus X, X minus 35 minus X should be 2X minus 35. I do awkward. So 2X minus 35 minus 2, sorry. So the answer is 2X minus 37 equals 35 minus X. So it's 72 equals 3X, so X equals 24. So the Nelson right now is 24 years old. Oh, sorry, 24, 48 minus 35 equals 13. So Zoe, did you get the same answer? 24 is the sister and the Nelson is 13.
Yeah, I got that correct answer actually.
Amelia, do you understand? Okay, so I need you to get the table ready, okay? So without the table, it's going to be hard. Okay, number 7. This year, Mr. Lester age is multiple 7. Next year, his age will be multiple 5. If his age is between 20 and 80, how old will Mr. Lester be in 8 years' time? Read the question very carefully, okay? Don't give me the wrong answer.
Okay.
So, Halima, this one is
Um,
pretty easy, right? Very easy. So I think Amelia, this question should be done. Amelia, can you give me the answer?
I got 57.
Zoe, did you get the same answer?
Same.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. Very good. Okay, number 8. This year, Karen's age is multiple 5. Next year, her age will be multiple 3. Her age is more than 20 but less than 50. How old will Karen be 6 years from now? Very easy, same question. So 2 minutes, try to get them done, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I finished.
We're almost done. Hang on.
Okay.
It's 6 years from now, so it's not the present age.
Okay, so Zoe, could you please give me your answer?
Hang on. Okay.
Well, I got 41.
Zoe,
Actually,
yeah?
okay.
Zoe, did you get the 41 as well?
Yes, actually. 35,
Okay.
36, 41. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so let's see. The age of a man is the same as his son. When the digit of his age are reversed, the age of a man is the same as his son when the digits of his age are reversed. The sum of their age is 77. The man is 27 years older than his son. How old is his son? Try to do this question, okay?
Okay.
Okay, do you need my help? Just to help you a little bit, okay? Yeah.
Mhm.
The age of a man is the same as his son when the digit of his age is reversed. What does it mean? That means if the dad is 95, then his son will be 59. Get it? So because their sum of their age is 77, so I guess dad plus son should equals to 77, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one with a reversed. And this man is 27 years older than his son. It's very easy. So dad could be reversed as what? Son plus 27, correct? So that means son plus 27 plus son should still equal 77. So 2 son equals 50. So son equals 25. So how old is his dad? Reversed 52. And you can check 25 plus 52 equals 77. So do we really need this one? No, we don't need that at all. We can directly get the answer. Get it, Zoe? Get it, Amelia? Okay, we
Yes.
don't really need that one, but that one can be used as the check clause. We can use it to check if our answer is right or not. Okay, so let's take line number 10. Amelia, you read the question for me, please.
The sum of the ages of Sean and Matthew is 29. The sum of the ages of Sean and Billy is 26. The sum of the ages of Billy and Matthew is 31. Who is the youngest among the three boys? How old is the youngest boy?
Okay, so let's do this number 10, okay? Okay, the sum of the age of Sean and Matthew is 29. So S plus M equals 29, right? Zoe and Amelia? The sum of the Sean and Billy, 26. And Billy and Matthew is 31. So just to plus them together, correct? This one should be very easy. Okay, last question. The product of Vincent's age and Daniel's age is 192. So this time we have product. Okay, it's totally different. It's product. So Vincent times Daniel equals 192. The sum of their age is 28. So how do we, oh, sorry, V plus D equals 28, correct? Okay, so how do we do this? So we need to factoring not 192. So 96. So 3, 32. So 4, 8. So we're going to think about it. So 3 times 4 equals 12. 6 times 8 equals 16. So 12 times 16 equals 192. And 12 plus 16 equals 28. So how old is each boy? If Daniel is the older one, so Daniel equals 16 and Vincent equals 12. Get it, Zoe? Okay, get it, Amelia? Okay, so that's it for today's class. Okay, so like I said, when we do those questions, I want to see how you get the answer. Make the table and show me how did you get the answer. Clear, Zoe? Clear, Amelia?
There's still 2 minutes left of class.
No, we start, but you come late.
Oh, yeah.
对不对啦？你每次都晚到，你下次不要再晚到了啊。Okay? Okay, so Zoe, so we're gonna see each other next week. So next week, still 3:30 and try not to be late. Okay? Okay, bye-bye.
Bye, thank you.
Bye-bye.